Sounds of the English language. The learner explores the new word. First, the learner needs to understand how to pronounce the word or how to pronounce the letter sound. For example, this is elephant toy. It's not elephant. This is elephant toy. When you show the picture, this is elephant picture, not elephant. So how to pronounce the word elephant? A-E-A-F-A-N-T, elephant. Because PH, it makes F sound. Okay. The next toy is a giraffe. Giraffe is a giraffe toy. Giraffe G. So what is G sound? It's a G, gas. But when G comes with I-E-Y, it makes J sound, J, giraffe. And also double letter rules also there, giraffe. This is a kangaroo toy. This is a kangaroo toy. How to pronounce the word kangaroo? Kangaroo. So kangaroo, how the word is end of the sound is a long oo sound. Oo, oo, kangaroo.